Would you like to know how much more you can maximize Instagram? Well, keep on watching this video because I'm gonna share the top 10 features, hacks, and tools that you likely didn't even know existed. Let's go. All right, so the first underutilized feature, or new feature I should say, is the ability to schedule your Instagram Reels. And no, I don't just mean having a lame push notification. I'm talking about the ability to actually pre-schedule everything and have it auto-publish onto your feed. You can now do this with Later Media on any of their paid plans, and they recently announced this not too long ago. All you have to do is upload your short form video, select Reels, and then you're able to easily auto-publish it. Now the downside is you're not able to customize the cover photo, but a little hack to get behind this is within your Instagram Reels, just make sure that you already have the cover photo accounted for, just like what I've done here. That way it's already within the video frame and you're able to select that frame only and treat that as your cover photo. Now, on the topic of Instagram Reels, we have to talk about Reels templates. This is probably my favorite feature, and I think that it's so underrated and underutilized. All you have to do is go into your Instagram Reels Explore page, hit the Reels editor, and right below, you're gonna be able to access templates. Here, you're able to scroll through not only a bunch of content ideas, but videos that specifically give you the entire template on how someone else edited multiple clips to match the beat of the music. This is going to save you so much time because all you have to do is just drop your clips in and then you're done. Not only this, as you scroll through the Reels Explore page, you might also notice this icon right here saying use template. This basically allows you to copy that person's editing template on how they were able to stitch multiple clips. So do not sleep on this feature because not only is it going to save you a lot of time, but it's also going to give you tons of content ideas. Now let's talk about the next underrated feature, and that is the ability to add story mentions even after you've posted the story. Have you ever posted an Instagram story and you were like, dang it, I forgot to tag my friend, I forgot to tag my client, or I forgot to tag a certain brand, and what you ended up doing was deleting the story and reposting it? Well, you no longer have to do this because what you can do instead is go to your Instagram story, click on the 3 buttons, and then add mentions. Now you're able to tag the people or the brands that you want to so that they get notified and they're able to easily reshare your story. This is definitely a feature that I haven't heard many people talk about, and so I definitely wanted to include it in this video so that you can maximize it and ensure people have the ability to reshare your stories. Now at this point of the video, I have an important question for you. Have you ever been a victim of the spam comments right here? Because if you have, then you definitely want to leverage the hidden words feature. What you're gonna wanna do is hit your settings, go to privacy, then hit hidden words. You're then gonna scroll down and manage custom words and phrases. Now you're able to add keywords that these bots typically use so that they will never show up in your comment section again. What I like to do is every time I see a new spam comment come up with a person tagged in it, I'm going to use that keyword, put it in hidden words, and that ensures that my audience is protected from scams, and it also protects my peace of mind when I'm going through my own comment section. Now the next thing that I have for you is not necessarily an underrated feature or tool, it's actually an underrated strategy, and that is to let your Instagram stories expire. If you are someone who wants to increase the amount of views that you're getting on your stories, you definitely want to make sure that periodically you let your stories take a 24-hour break. Now, the reason why this is a strategy worth considering is because I surveyed over 100 people in my audience, asking them at what point they stop watching other people's stories. And they said after about 15 to 25 slides, they will completely disengage. That's why if your story sequence is looking like this and it's really long, you adding a few more stories is not going to increase your views. If anything, over time, it's going to decrease your views. That's why you want to make sure you are periodically taking 24-hour breaks, letting your stories expire, and then reposting the content that you want. This ensures that you're going to get way more eyeballs on your new pieces of content. And it also ensures that you aren't necessarily exhausting your audience either. So definitely try this out and let me know how it works. And if you want to learn how to get even more story views, then check out this video that I have right here as well. Now on the topic of Instagram story, we all know and love the caption sticker. And if you don't know what the caption sticker is anytime that you speak on Instagram stories, what you can do is add this sticker and it's gonna automatically transcribe your story. This is really helpful, especially if you want to increase the amount of engagement that you're getting on IG stories. However, the one thing that I hate about the Instagram sticker is the fact that it censors me every time I swear. So if you are someone who wants to swear in your stories and you hate it that Instagram always bleeps you out, out, what you can do is you can click on the caption. Not only can you edit the words in the caption, but anytime you see a swear word, you can simply just retype it as the full word instead of having it starred out. This is going to ensure that when you post your Instagram stories, it's not going to do a bleep noise anytime that you swear. Now, if you are someone who curses like a sailor, then you are very welcome that I shared this hack with you. Now, the next hack that I have for you is to upload your own GIFs to Instagram. Now, if you are someone who wants to make sure that if someone is searching your name or searching your brand, your GIFs will show up so other people can use it, what you have to do is create a verified brand account on Giphy. If you don't know by now, all of the GIFs that Instagram uses is all sourced from Giphy. And if you upload your own GIFs to Giphy and you are a verified brand, that means that anytime someone searches for your keywords, your GIFs will show up. Now, I did a little bit of research on this, and unfortunately, I feel like it takes way too many steps to be verified as a brand on Giphy, so I found a workaround. What you're gonna wanna do is go to Canva and create your own GIF. So you're gonna upload a video and then design it however you want, download it, then on your camera roll, you're gonna be able to copy your GIF. Once you've copied your GIF, you're gonna have the ability to add it as a sticker on Instagram. Now you're able to have your GIF show up. Now, unfortunately, this is only something that you can do and people can't search for your GIF. However, it is a really great workaround, especially if you're a business owner and you wanna promote your products and services in a really creative way. Or if you're someone who simply wants to add a little bit more branding to your stories, this is also a really great option. Now, moving on to the next hack that I have for you, and that is the ability to easily create quote reels just like this one on the Instagram app directly. Now, I've mentioned it in this video right here, but quote reels have absolutely exploded my reach, and it's one of the top performing type of posts on my account. But one of my favorite parts is two things: the fact that I don't need to show my face in order to get more reach, and also the fact that they are incredibly easy to make without me even leaving my phone. All I have to do is screenshot the quote that I want, then go to Pexels and make sure I download a video, and then go to my photo album, copy the quote post that I screenshotted, and paste it onto Instagram Reels. Then I add trending music on top, and voila, I now have a quote reel. It is so easy to make, and it's definitely a hack that I had to mention in this video if you want to explode your reach. Now, on the topic of Instagram Reels, here's another hack for you, and that is using CAPCUT to add captions to your Reels. Now, a question that I get a lot whenever I do these talking head videos is, Vanessa, how did you add those captions? Now, the truth is that I do have a video editor to do it, but not all of us have access to a video editor. So what do you do next? Well, you download this magical app called CAPCUT. What you're gonna do is upload any video that you were thinking of putting as your Instagram Reels, and then you're gonna be able to click on text and add auto captions. Now your entire video is automatically transcribed and the text is on top. Not only this, you're able to customize the text however you would like. This is a really easy way to add captions to your Instagram Reels, but also make sure that your Instagram Reels are engaging so that it increases your retention. Now, I did mention this in my Instagram Reels video, but if you would like to learn another way to add captions in your Instagram Reels for free, then you gotta check out DIDN, which is my next hack. So let me introduce you to DIDN. This is a free video editor. What you're gonna wanna do is start a project and select the Instagram story size. Then you go to media and upload your file. Once your video is uploaded, you're then going to want to go to subtitles and then hit auto subtitle. Now, once you have your subtitles, you're able to edit the words, and you're also able to create different styles and really customize it to your liking. You can choose the different font, you could choose the different size, and you can also choose the different colors as well. One thing that I really like about this is when it comes to the fonts, you can also upload your own font and really adhere to your own brand. Not to mention, there are different subtitle effects for you to choose from. Now, one of my favorite features about DIDN is the ability to split subtitles. A lot of creators want their captions to show up one word at a time, and so what you can do is you can actually use the split subtitle feature. So where you want the subtitle to split, you're then going to hit split subtitle. Now, as you can see, I've split the subtitles in this section, and now let's play to see what the result looks like. As you can see, instead of showing the full sentence, it's now showing a few words at a time. So if you are someone who wants to add engaging captions to your Reels for free, whether it's on mobile or desktop, definitely check out CAPCUT or DIDN. Now, so far in this video, I've really shared the top 10 underrated hacks and features that not enough people talk about and that most people don't even know even exist. Comment below and let me know which one was your favorite. Not to mention, my goal is to help you supercharge your content and your income. So make sure you check out this video that I have right here to help you increase your reach using Instagram Reels. As always, guys, I appreciate you. I hope you enjoyed this video and I will see you in my next one. Bye, guys, and take care.